front of me is Samsung Galaxy A37 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on safety and emergency. Now, click on emergency contacts and tap on this switcher next to show on lock screen if it's not already on. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible on locked screen, so make sure this switcher is enabled. You can also turn on or off this one, sure during emergency calls and text. If you decided to enable it, you need to hit agree. Now let's add our contacts. Hit add emergency contact and tap on the ones you wanna add. When you're done, hit done at the top right corner. Now to manage emergency contact list, hit those three dots at the top right corner, select remove, and then tap on the one you wanna delete only from this list, not from your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!